and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Runwal Realty new launch project named as Runwal Auris, located bang on Link Road, Malad, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the main entrance. Behind me you can also see the actual land parcel that we'll show you later in this video. For now you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. You can see this is the main road, that is Link Road. From the left you can go towards Goregaon side and from the right you can go towards Kandivali side. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And this over here is the actual land parcel of the project where you can see the construction has started. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 2 acres that will have 1 tower of ground plus 68 residential floors, having premium 3 and 4 BHK residences. And now, speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located bang on Link Road, Malad, from where you have Infinity Mall at a distance of 3 minutes, Malad railway station is at a distance of 1.8 kilometers, and Meet Chowki metro station is at a distance of 500 meters from the project. Speaking of amenities, this project has 35 plus luxurious amenities that will include a swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, jogging track, garden, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. Now, speaking of configurations and carpet areas, as said, this project has 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences with 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1300 to 1600 square feet and 4 BHK in the carpet area of approx 2000 square feet. Also, you have Jodi options available. Now, speaking of the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 18 lakhs for 3 BHK and 27 lakhs for 4 BHK. So everyone, this was the teaser of Runwal Realty new launch project named as Runwal Auris, located bang on Link Road, Malad West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.